In this video, I'll take you through File and Hash Threat Intel. It's a new room that has just been launched by TryHackMe, and let's get started. So let me read the introduction. Security operation teams live inside alert queues and triaging. Every entry follows the three essential steps: verify, enrich, and decide. File hash and intelligence sits squarely in the enrich phase, transforming a lone path or hash value into contextual knowledge within your organization about malicious artifacts that would be identified. Then let's get straight to the case scenario. It is Monday in April. TryDaily is preparing a significant release. The EDR tools flags multiple binaries and on various workstations during a routine alert sweep. You, the L1 analyst, shadowing your L2 mentor, receive a curated triage package containing those samples. Within 60 minutes, you must provide evidence to showcase whether these files are bait, benign, or malicious. So I already have our target machine on. It's here. Let me just show you that real quick. This is our target machine. You can also turn yours on. Then let's get started with the first task. So the first task looks into file names and paths, and here we have file name heuristic indicators that you might want to look out for when you are doing your threat intelligence assessment. So you have double extensions, system binary impersonation, high entropy strings, and masquerading. So we have the examples over here, and let's get started with the first question. One file displays one of the indicators mentioned. Can you identify the file and the indicator? So we have these heuristic indicators here. We'll go check which one shows one of the indicators mentioned, and we'll go straight to the CTI files right here on the desktop. And real quick, we'll see this payroll.pdf. Its name has a .pdf extension, yet it has this icon which looks like an executable. So let's check its properties. And as you can note there, let's click that and check on its properties. And as you can see here, it's an executable. So this automatically raises a red flag. And yeah, so this has the double extension that we saw here as the first heuristic indicator. So let's just write our answer here. It's payroll.pdf, and the property here is the double extension. So double extensions, that is the property that this file shows. So yeah, we've got that one correct. Let's proceed. The next one, we have file hash lookup, and this is when you want to check the files that you have. You want to probe them further and check the hash of each file. So here we have two commands here. For the command prompt, you have this first one here. Then for PowerShell, you have this one, which looks rather long. So let's get started. Let's copy this one, and on our target machine, or before we do that, let's check the questions first. We have all this that you can read. We have this VirusTotal website that we'll search for this information, but let's get into we also have this MalwareBazaar that you can use. Let's look at the first question here. What is the SHA-256 hash of the file blogger? So let's get straight. Let's go back to the machine. Here I'll open the command prompt over here. I'll just run as an administrator. Yes, then I've pasted the command that we copied from over here. Let me just show you over here. And the question is asking, what is the SHA-256 hash of the file blogger? So yeah, let's check that. So I've just realized that I didn't have the correct file path. So let me just show you that. I have navigated back to, where is that? Back to the C drive and went to users, then to this particular user, Matthew.Collins. Then after that, I've gone to now desktop of the user Matthew Collins. Then from desktop, now I've gone straight to the CTI files where we had the blogger file. Let me just show you that real quick. Over here, we have, let's go back to desktop. Here is where we have the CTI files. Right here is where we have this blogger type of file. So let's just grab, the question wanted this hash. So let's grab the hash. Then let's come back here. What is the hash of the blogger? Let's paste it right there. Okay, doesn't seem okay. Yeah. As it is loading, let's go to the next question. That's correct. On VirusTotal, what is the threat label used to identify the malicious file? So now let's take this hash and go straight to VirusTotal, this website, and check the threat label. So I have the hash, I'll paste it right here, then we'll search it. So here we have this information about this particular virus here, and here we have all this information, the threat score over here, and all this information. You can move all the way from relation to behavior and just check all the information over here. So the question was asking, let's go back to the question. On VirusTotal is the threat label used to identify the malicious file. So let's go back, not there, but on VirusTotal. Okay, let's check here. Let's check what is the threat label. Should be checking under popular. Let's just, okay, let me see. Detection, is there anything on detection? Yeah, this is the popular threat label over here. So let's just copy this, Control C. Let's come back to TryHackMe, paste it right there. So you just skim through the VirusTotal website and you look at the different options to deal with there. You're just analyzing the hash from the virus from the hash. So when was the file first submitted for analysis? Let's go back to VirusTotal and check when it was first submitted for analysis. So for that, I'll go to the details, and the first submission was on 15th here, 15th of June, is it May, I guess. So let's take that and paste it right here. Now let's submit that. According to MalwareBazaar, which vendor classified the Morse code analyzer file as non-malicious? So now let's open the MalwareBazaar website and check the Morse code analyzer. So I already have my MalwareBazaar right here open. So what I'll do, I'll go back here to a machine, and let's see, here we have the Morse code analyzer over here. So let's check its hash. So I'll just grab this command here until there, then I'll just paste it here. I'll just type it, search util hash file, and it's called mos, yeah. Then let's grab the hash. This is the hash right here. Then let's go to MalwareBazaar here, paste it right here. Let's search. So apparently there's nothing that comes up from MalwareBazaar. I've just realized that I'm the one who made a mistake in the command here. I needed to append SHA-256 at the end of the command, so I guess it used this SHA-1. So yeah, let's use that. So I guess we were using the wrong hash to try and get the result. So here, yeah, now here we have a different hash. So let's take that and it's just a minute. Let's do that. Then now, okay, I have not included 256 here. It won't go through. Okay, just a minute. We have a syntax for doing this on MalwareBazaar. Let's hope that goes through. And here we have the result. So let's quickly go through this. It's taking time. Okay, we have this here. Okay, and let's see what was the question again. According to MalwareBazaar, which vendor classified the Morse code analyzer file as non-malicious? So which vendor? Where is MalwareBazaar? As non-malicious. Let's see. So here we have this CyberFortress vendor classified it as clean. So yeah, that's our answer. CyberFortress. Okay, we need to have an R here. Okay, that's correct. On VirusTotal, what MITRE technique has been flagged for persistence and privilege escalation for the Morse code analyzer. So let's go back to VirusTotal with the same hash, and right here, let's just paste it here that way, and let's search that. And here we have the results here. So under here, let's check on behavior real quick. Behavior section here. We are checking for what MITRE technique has been flagged for persistence and privilege escalation for the Morse code analyzer. So the MITRE technique, okay, we are on VirusTotal, sorry. So persistence and privilege escalation. We have this DLL side loading. So yeah, this is an attack vector that attackers normally use by impersonating legit DLLs with their own executables. So yeah, that's that. So we have DLL side loading. Submit that one. Let's proceed. Right here we have a sandbox analysis, and right here we introduced to two sandbox tools. We have hybrid analysis and Joe sandbox analysis. we read here that hybrid analysis focuses on behavior trees and a clean MITRE ATT&CK heat map. It is suitable for a fast executive summary, while the JO sandbox goes deep, covering system calls, strings, and memory dumps. Great for reverse engineers and detection engineers. Okay, so I already have my hybrid analysis website here. It's app. Yeah. Okay, let's go back to TryHackMe and check out the questions. We have here limitations for the sandbox. Using the sandbox here, sandbox evasion techniques, we have limited execution time and coverage. We have encrypted and obfuscated traffic. We have fileless and leaving of the land malware. So let's get started. What tags are used to identify the blogger.exe malicious file on hybrid analysis? So let's take the hash for the blogger.exe. This is the hash here. And let's check it out on, let me just do it from here. We search that. So we're looking for the tags that are used to identify this particular executable. So here we have these tags here: Black Moon, Discovery, Windows Server Utility. So let's just get back real quick. Okay, let me add an hour to the machine over here. We're running out of time. Should be here. I don't know. That should be more than enough. And here we have that was Black Moon, if I'm not wrong, and Discovery. And what was the last one? Windows Server Utility or something. Windows what am I even writing here? Windows Server Utility. I hope that's correct. What was the stealth command line executed from the file? So here we need to check let's check the hybrid analysis for the stealth command. So here let's look at what, let's scroll here. You see here we have anti-detection stealthiness. So let's click this, and as you can see, the command is this particular one. So let's just grab this and copy it. And here there is a hint that says do not escape the command characters. So I'll just paste it here, but I'll take away these I'll just delete these escape characters here. I guess it should be good to go. Okay, what's up? Okay, let me check that back. Let me see. No, we're not here. We are here. Oh, it hasn't copied fully. We have .ocx/s. So let's just write that real quick. .ocx. Come on. Okay, let me delete this. And right here we have .ocx. Let me have s. That should now be correct. Which other process was spawned according to the process tree? So let's look at the process tree. Yeah, where should that be? Let me see. Should be somewhere down below here. Okay, am I getting anything from this really? here we have this. So what other process was spawned? We have this was the main malware. Then this is the, when you look at this process tree, this is the next process, the other process that was spawned when this was executed. So it's wafault.exe. Will I remember that name? Wafault. Let's go back here. It's I was answering it in the wrong section. I'm in quite a hurry here. I'm late to another meeting, so yeah, let's get through this real quick. The payroll PDF application seems to be masquerading as which non-Windows file. So let's get back to this. Where is it? Let me open the file explorer. Here we have this payroll.pdf file, and let me show you the properties. Here we have this. Let me see details over here, and you can see the original file name is svchost.dll, and we don't have any svchost.dll. The actual file according to Windows machines is svchost.exe, which is a service host process, which usually runs a generic host processes for services that are loaded from the DLLs. So yeah, it should be in let me show you real quick. Hope you have time. Should be in the Windows system file. Let me see. Come on. Should be somewhere over here. Let me search svc. Yeah, this is the original file, svc host, this one here, but the attacker was using a .dll extension to try and infiltrate the system. So yeah, that is svc host dot executable exe. So yeah, that's that. What associated URL is linked to the file? So let's see. Payroll.pdf. No, we haven't checked it out yet, so yeah, I guess let's just check it out. And instead, let's just do this, and here we'll just write here payroll.pdf. We didn't have the hash, so payroll.pdf, and enter the hash in SHA-256. Okay, this is it. Let's grab it and let's check it out on right here in hybrid analysis. Let's check this one out. It's taking its time. Okay, so yeah, we have it here, and immediately you just see this right here at the top, associated URLs. So this is the URL that TryHackMe is asking for. Let's go here, paste it here real quick. How many extracted strings were identified from the sandbox analysis of the files? So how many strings were extracted from the sandbox analysis of the file? Should that be like down below here somewhere or something? So yeah, extracted strings, we have it here, 454. Okay, 454. Let's submit that. Then let's go to task 5. So here it's threat intelligence challenge practice. Now that we have looked at gathering intelligence through looking at file attributes, you will now have the opportunity to investigate a suspected file, challenge.binary.sample, So what is the SHA-256 hash of the file? Real quick, let's just do the same thing. Let me just delete this. It's called challenge. Let's specify 256. This is the hash right here. Let's grab it and paste it here real quick. Yes, let me also paste it here on VirusTotal too. We just cross-referencing across all these sites. So can you get to see the first question? Okay, what is the hash? Okay, we have the hash here already, so that's cool. What family labels are assigned to the file in VirusTotal? So family labels, okay, where should that be? Where should that be? Family labels, here we have Akira, file crypta, miscellaneous, or the MISC. So these are the file labels. We have the popular threat label that you asked initially, threat categories here. So Akira, file crypta, and let me see, the first one is Akira. Okay, come on. Akira. Then file crypta or something. File crypta. So we only want two. That's okay. How many security vendors have flagged the file as malicious? So let's go back to VirusTotal. I guess that's what we're dealing with. And should that be 61? 61 out of 72. Let's see. 61. Come on, 61. Yeah, that's cool. Then name the text file dropped during the execution of the malicious file. So for that, I'll go into behavior. Or let me check relations. First. Yeah, here it's much easier from this side. Let's see the 10 dropped files. So it's loading. Taking a while here, it's taking its time, but let's see. Come on, this is taking unusually longer. Let me check the next question. What PowerShell script is observed to be executed? Then what is the MITRE ID? MITRE ATT&CK ID. So PowerShell script executed. Okay. Come on. What do we want to do right here now? This is taking long. Okay, we even have them right here. So yeah, this is much easier. Dropped files. We have it here. We have these ones here. And I can just, there's the text file, because I guess they're asking for the text file. I not seen that you can get it from there. Name the text file dropped here. So the text file, where is that? VirusTotal here. So that is Akira underscore readme.txt. Akira, where is that? Akira underscore readme.txt. So yeah, I never even knew we could get it from that point, but that's cool. Let's go back here. Okay, let me check this real quick. Because this won't, it's taking a while. Let me use still have the hash? Let me check and see. Okay, we have this here. Let me see. Is it this one here? Let's see. It's taking a little while here, but okay, I guess we have it here. Okay, so what are we even looking for? I've forgotten the question itself. Let me see. Here we have what PowerShell script is observed to be executed. So yeah, let me see. In hybrid, let me see what can we get over here. Let me see this analysis section. Yeah, so this is the command, I guess. Let me grab this. Yeah, this is the command. Yeah, this is the command because this is when it was executed. This and this were executed. So yeah, this is the command right here. Let's try that. Then what is the MITRE attack ID associated with let me just Google that, I guess. Let's see. MITRE. Let's see what we'll get, because it should be somewhere here. And yeah, it's just here. It's all over the place. T1490. Let's try that. T1490. T1490. Come on. Yeah, so that was that. And do you have any more questions down here? Congratulations on completing the room. Threat intelligence is integral to an security operations center workflow that enriches unknown binaries encountered by threat alerts. So yeah, that was that. And that was this room, file and hash threat intel. And yeah, we're done with that. I'll see you in the next TryHackMe room.